The work your teachers do goes well beyond play. Fine motor skills like molding Play Doh, cutting with scissors, and writing with crayons lay the foundation for literacy, communication, and academic success. When your team understands how these skills connect to the children's ability to hold a pencil or form letters, their work takes on a deeper sense of purpose and pride. Your teachers will support young learners in fine motor skill development. As directors, you have a unique opportunity to guide your teachers in developing these fine motor skills and to recognize and elevate the critical role they play in fostering literacy and school readiness. Let's explore how you can empower your team as professionals whose work profoundly impacts children's futures. The first step is, of course, education. Many teachers don't fully grasp how activities like bead threading or cutting with scissors contribute to critical skills like hand strength, coordination, and independence. As directors, we can strengthen our teachers' professionalism by providing them with opportunities to grow their expertise. Hosting workshops or sharing the latest research on how fine motor development supports literacy ensures that they stay informed and confident in their abilities. Encourage your teachers to see themselves as specialists in early childhood development and education. Celebrate their efforts in creating engaging skill building activities and invite them to share those strategies with their peers. Recognizing their contributions reinforces their sense of value and their expertise. Next, help your teachers to integrate these activities into their daily routine. Show them how to create purposeful playstations, like a sensory bin for pinching and sorting, or a writing center for tracing and drawing. Help them to rotate out the activities to keep them fresh and new so that the children are able to engage fully. Then we need to help our team communicate the significance of their work to the parents by sharing children's progress and explaining how these early skills connect to literacy and school readiness. Your teachers position themselves as trusted professionals who are essential for their child's success. Recognition is key. Celebrate your teachers' successes through a formal acknowledgement in staff meetings, certificates of appreciation, or a simple heartfelt thank you. Their dedication deserves to be seen and valued. The work your team does in fostering fine motor skills is the foundation of literacy, creativity, and independence. By strengthening their professionalism, you're empowering them to take pride in their impact on school readiness and lifetime learning. We have provided an outline for a training for you to do with your staff because you are the kind of leader who uplifts your team. You're the kind who likes to help your teachers see their work as vital to children's academic and professional growth. You're not just supporting fine motor development, you are shaping the world of tomorrow.